Good morning, children. How are you all today? I hope you are all doing fine. Children, I am Goldie ma'am. Welcome back to the language space. Today we are going to revise alphabet A, B, C and D. So let's revise them. Capital A, small a. What is the sound of alphabet A? A says A. A for apple. A for ankle. A for ant. A for aquarium. A for aeroplane. A for arrow. A for alligator. Capital B, small b. What is the sound of alphabet B? B says B. B for ball. B for bun. B for bell. B for balloon. B for belt. B for bag. B for basket. Capital C, small c. What is the sound of alphabet C? C says K. C for camera. C for cup. C for chair. C for carrot. C for car. C for cat. C for cap. Capital D, small d. What is the sound of alphabet D, children? D says D. D for dog. D for dolphin. D for diamond. D for duck. D for deer. D for daisy. D for den. Children, thorough with the keywords of alphabet A, B, C and D. So let's have some fun. Let's do this activity. Children, in this activity, I have kept flashcard of few alphabet. I will be showing you pictures which you have to identify and keep near the appropriate alphabet. Which picture is this, children? It is the picture of a cake. So, C for cake. Now, children, where is alphabet C? Here? No. Shall I keep it here? No. Shall I keep it here? Yes. Because C for cake. Now, which picture is this? It is the picture of a bell. So, bell starts with which alphabet? B. Shall I keep it here? No. Shall I keep it here? Yes. B for bell. What is this? It is a cap. So, C for cap. Shall I keep it here? No. Where is alphabet C? Here. Good job, children. C for cap. What is this? It is an X. Here, yes, good job. A for X. What is this, children? It is the picture of a duck. Duck starts with which alphabet? D for duck. Is this D? No. Is this alphabet D? No. Here we will keep near alphabet D. D for duck. What is this, children? This is a door. Door starts with which alphabet? D for door. Is this alphabet D? No. Is this alphabet D? No. Shall we keep it here? No. Yes. This is alphabet D. So we will keep it here. D for door. What is this? This is an arrow. So arrow starts with which alphabet? A for arrow. Shall we keep it here? No. Shall we keep it here? Yes, near alphabet A. What is this? This is a butterfly. So butterfly starts with alphabet B. Where is alphabet B, children? Is this alphabet B? No. Shall we keep it here? Yes. B for butterfly. B for butterfly. Children, now I will show you how to write alphabet A, B, C and D in the notebook. Children, what is the date? 3030-6-2020. That is 30th June 2020. Alphabet A to D. Now we will write alphabet A. First red line, first blue line, second blue line and second red line. We will start capital A from the first red line. From the red line, we will go slant down till the second blue line, again slant down to the second blue line and sleeping line on the blue line. Then start small letter A from the first blue line. C curve, go up, standing, come down, standing till the second blue line. Now we'll write capital B. We will start from the first red line. Come down, standing till the second blue line. Go up again till the first red line. Curve till the first blue line. Again make a curve till the second blue line. Now small b. We will start from the first red line. Come down standing till the second blue line. Go up till the first blue line. Make a curve. Come down till the second blue line. We will write capital C. For capital C, we have to start little bit down from the red line. Curve, come down till the second blue line and go little bit up. Now small c. We will start it from the first blue line, but little bit down. Go up, make a curve, come down till the second blue line and go little bit up. We will write capital D. We will start from the first red line. come down, standing, go up again till the first red line, make a reverse C curve till the second blue line. Now small d, we'll start from the first red line, come down standing, go up till the first blue line, make a C curve, come down till the second blue line. Now capital A. Go down slant, again from the first red line, come down slant and sleeping line on the blue line. Now small a, we will start from the first blue line. Curve, come down till the second blue line, go up standing, come down straight till the second blue line. Now capital B. We will start from the first red line, come down standing, go up again, make a curve till the first blue line, again make a curve till the second blue line. Now small b, we'll start from the red line, come down standing, go up till the first blue line, make a curve, come down till the second blue line. Now we will start writing capital C. For that we will start little bit down from the first red line. Go up, make a curve, come down till the second blue line and from the second blue line little bit up. Now small c. The same way we will start little bit down from the first blue line. Go up, make a curve, come down till the second blue line and go little bit up. Now capital D. We will start from the first red line. Standing line, come down till the second blue line, go up again, make a reverse C curve till the second blue line. Now small d. We'll start from the red line. Standing line till the second blue line, go up again till the first blue line, C curve till the second blue line. Children, in this way you have to complete writing A, B, C and D nicely in your notebook. Yesterday I gave you the worksheet, children. Have you done it? Good job. So here is the solution. Children, in this worksheet you have to circle the picture which start with the given alphabet. Which alphabet is this? Alphabet B. Does grapes start with alphabet B? No. So we will not circle them. Does star start with alphabet B? No. So we will not circle it. Does butterfly start with alphabet B? Yes. So we will circle it. Which alphabet is this, children? Alphabet D. Does dog start with alphabet D? Yes. So we will circle it. Does cup and mango start with alphabet D? No. So we will not circle them. Which alphabet is this? Alphabet A. Does chair start with alphabet A? No. So we will not circle it. Does ant start with alphabet A? Yes. So we will circle it. Car does not start with alphabet A, so we'll not circle it. Which alphabet is this? Alphabet C. Does fish start with alphabet C? No. So we will not circle it. Does cherries start with alphabet C? Yes. So we will circle them. Does deer start with alphabet C? No. So we will not circle it. Okay kids, bye bye. See you soon. Take care.